Hello, everybody. Welcome to Cat's Crafts. I'm sharing my lunch today. I have some chicken salad hubby made. He had some leftover chicken. He cut the chicken up, put salad dressing, onions, pickles, celery, and that's what I'm eating for lunch. Chicken salad with some Ritz crackers. If you're having lunch today, tell me what you're eating for lunch, or what are you eating for dinner? Here in Texas, it is very windy, but it's a beautiful day outside. Sunny, just beautiful. Well, subscribe, like, and share my video. I appreciate every one of you. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you already subscribed, thank you for all your support. Have a wonderful, wonderful day or night. Be blessed. Bye.